Hello guys, my name is Chani SK, SAP FICO and S4HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you the basic information regarding SAP functional and technical modules list. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe it now and hit the bell icon. So let's go to the topic without making any further delay. SAP modules can be divided into two sessions, so namely functional and technical modules. So generally SAP module should be one functional and two technical modules. So here I specified functional modules. So function means department. So every department is a one kind of module here. Let's take in any organization, finance department, controlling department, sales department, material management department, quality department, plant maintenance department. There are several kind of departments will be there. For each department, SAP has a given module. So SAP CO is one module. So we can call it as a controlling. SAP FI is called as a finance, accounting. SD module is sales and distribution. PP module is production planning. And HR module is human resource. And MM module is material management. QM is quality management. PS is project system. PM means project plant maintenance. SCM means supply chain management. So these are all functions of any company. So all function has a department. Function is nothing but department. So every department has one module in SAP. So these are all functional modules. Let's go to the technical modules. So here I specified some of the technical modules over here. So NetWeaver is one technical module. SAP HANA, Information System Management, Advanced Business Application Programming, ABAP, Exchange Infrastructure, Business Intelligence, SAP Basis, Business Information Warehouse. So BIW. These are all technical modules in SAP. So as I told you, there are two kind of modules will be there. One is functional modules. Function means department. Department wise SAP has made some modules. Just now I explained, these are all technical modules. So SAP ERP is the central component. So ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. It is one of the central component and offers functions of the following fields. So now we can divide these modules, functional modules as here. Logistics. So logistics, under logistics these are all things will be covered. Real estate management, SAP RE. Production planning and control, it is PP, SAP PP. Warehouse management, WM, and customer service is CS. Plant maintenance is PM, and environment, health and safety, so EH and S. So logistics execution LE, quality management QM, sales and distribution SD, material management is MM. Right? So these are all logistics operations, SAP ERP corporate services. So here accounting related ERP financials, SAP TR, TR means treasury, project system, CO controlling, financial accounting, enterprise controlling, EC and SCM, financial supply chain management, FSCM. These are all covered under the accounting, SAP ERP financials. In human resource, organizational management, travel management, recruitment. So for organizational management is OM and travel management is TM. Recruitment is SAP RC, and personal time management PT. Personal planning and development is PD, and planning administration is PA, and payroll is PY. So personal event. These are all modules in human resource management. So accounting related modules are treasury, project system, controlling, financial accounting, enterprise controlling, and financial supply chain management. So these are all SAP FI functional and technical modules. And I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for your support. This is Chani SK signing off.